Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana Alvarez Thomas. I'm currently a fourth year Widener MSU student. I'm excited to start this final year of school and graduate next summer. So far, I have had an overall pleasant experience in the field. I worked at an inpatient drug and alcohol behavioral health facility for my generalist internship. I loved it, and I got to learn so much from that experience. I still work there part time because I did enjoy it so much, and it helped me learn a lot. It helped me a lot greatly in my current profession as a state parole drug and alcohol agent. I have a specialized caseload as a state parole agent, which strictly is for people who have a long history of drug and alcohol abuse. And basically, I walk them through a program to help them try to get a community support network and situated and get them into treatment and kind of just build their sobriety base so that they can transfer back to general supervision. So my knowledge that I gained in my internship and through my last year's courses was really helpful, and I got to do a lot of application both in my internship and at my job. It was really awesome. Um, so yeah, I was able to learn a lot of interventions and techniques last semester and then just apply them and tweak them and try them in both settings. So I got a lot of practical practice and experience. My goals for developing into a clinical social worker would be to focus on learning and getting comfortable with a larger variety of therapy, interventions, and theory. Currently, I have like my favorites. Like I'm very trauma informed, CBT, MI focused. I have those favorites, and I tend to stick with them, which they've worked and they've been helpful and it's been fine. But it is definitely important. I feel that it's definitely important for me to expand my knowledge and my clinical toolbox and challenge myself to open up to new theories and interventions. I feel like it could be a challenge for me because I'm just not somebody who is interested in like theory focused. I'm very good at applying things that I learn and to just do them naturally as I conduct sessions or as I am, having direct contact with patients. But I'm not somebody who's able to easily identify that, hey, I'm using this tool specifically, and it correlates to this specific intervention or this specific theory. I just kind of just do it naturally. After I learned it, I kind of just incorporate it. But I think it's important that I take the time to really be able to break down and be strategic in the things that I'm doing and being able to bring them back and say, hey, I'm going to do this intervention because it's this theory and this theory can help in this situation, and like really be able to like explain and express why I'm doing something. I think that would be important to grow in that area. So I do feel that since I'm not theory oriented and I struggle in this area, that this is something that could be a challenge for me over this next year. But I think it's important that I work on this because, after I graduate, I do plan to try to get my licensure. And I feel like, I don't know, but I'm sure that, theory is going to be on the test. So it's definitely important that I get more familiar with theory and just different interventions and things like that. So that's kind of where I'm at this so far. I hope everybody has a really great summer semester and good luck. Anyway, talk to you all soon, and I can't wait to get to know you more. Thanks. Bye.